Hello, everyone. I've got sort of an older figure to unbox here from Star Wars The Black Series. The Amazon had it pretty cheap, which was surprising since it is an older figure. And I think it was an exclusive probably for GameStop since it is from Battlefront II. And I thought it would be good to unbox, especially since we've got Star Wars Squadrons coming up. I believe that'll be released in about a little over 2 weeks. So I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and unbox this guy. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and take him out. We're going to go ahead and take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and then from there, we'll go ahead and talk about what we like and what we don't like about the figure. And I will definitely be including a link down in the description area for where I found him on Amazon. That way, if you are interested, you can click on it as well. And yeah, we're going to go from there. And while I'm going along here, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. And that way you won't forget your question. So today, what we're going to do is go ahead and unbox the Inferno Squad Agent from Star Wars The Black Series. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box first. As you can see, it's the standard Black Series. We've got the Inferno Squad Agent with the artistic rendition there. It's from Star Wars Battlefront II. On the side here, we have no designation, which is why I believe it was probably an exclusive. And we've got the Inferno Squad Agent, and we've got Echo 2260. On the back here, we've got, again, the artist rendition, and then we've got the description in several different languages. So let's go ahead and read the English one here. Inferno Squad Agent. In the wake of the Death Star's destruction, the Empire created the Inferno Squad to ensure that Imperial secrets would remain safe. Their fierce loyalty to the Empire and exceptional skills in both aerial and ground combat set this squad apart from the rank-and-file troopers. Pretty cool. And then we've got the standard red box Black Series, and we're back to the front. So let's go ahead and unbox the Inferno Squad Agent. And what we'll do is start from the bottom, since that seems to be the best way. So used to the newer boxes now where they come out so much easier. All right. Now we've got our agent there. Get that foot back. Stand up for me. All right. And then we've got his blaster there. Super cool. All right, so I'll go ahead and clean up, and we'll take a closer look at the Inferno Squad Agent. So we'll go ahead and take a look at his blaster first. It's pretty much the standard blaster, but it does have some weathering on it, and it has some nice metallic accents, so pretty cool there. But it is the standard blaster, just with those accents. For the figure himself, we do have the holster on the back. Happy to see that. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the helmet first. Ooh, that came out. Hopefully that should go back in pretty easily, it looks like. So without the breathing apparatus, the head goes down, head goes up pretty far, actually. That's awesome. And we're able to get a little bit of a head tilt, not much. But yeah, so full 360, up, down, side to side, as you would expect. And the tubes go right back in. All right, so arms are stiff, but we can actually go maybe a little bit above straight there, so pretty cool. You hear that snap? I do like how we've got the Inferno Squad emblem right there, along with the Imperial symbol there. There's no twist at the top of the arm, but it does do the full 360 at the elbow. Full 360. It's cool how we've got like kind of a mattish color, and then we've got the reflective on the glove. Hand goes full 360, and we're able to do the left and the right. A little bit, not really very far because of that cuff. On the other side, forgot to show elbow. It's about 90. Other side, same way. And then we've got similar marking on that shoulder as well. We do have a twist at the waist. Not able to get any tilt or anything like that, even when you bring the belt down. The belt itself, it's kind of chintzy, but at least you do have the holster, which is nice. The legs, you do have the ability to rotate at the top of the thigh. As far as the the knee, it is the double knee, and as you can see, that actually has some really good movement there. And then we've got the typical ankle. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take some pictures of this guy. That way we can see maybe something that we missed, and that way too we can talk about that at the end here. If you have any questions, ask down below and enjoy these pictures. All right, so I hope you like the figure. I really like the way that he looks. Unfortunately, I had a heck of a time getting him to stand up. You might notice that I do have some museum putty there at the bottom of the foot. That was the only way I could consistently get him to stand in any close pose. I don't know what's wrong with him. The joints in around the hip area there, they're extremely loose. Same thing with down at the ankle. Yeah, man, he looks so cool, but he has such a hard time standing up. I guess he just wants to be in the cockpit or something. Yeah, so, and there he goes. So if you have any questions about the figure, I invite you to ask down below. If you like the figure or like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are interested in Star Wars The Black Series, anything Star Wars, or just something that a professional geek might find interesting, that is what this channel is all about, so I invite you to subscribe to the channel. So we do a lot of things that are obviously Star Wars related, like Black Series figures, anything related to Star Wars, including Lego, going to Galaxy's Edge at Batu East, which I'm doing later this week, as well as other things that a professional geek might find interesting, like home automation, electronics, and that sort of thing as well. So if that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel as well. And with that, have a great day.